Greetings of the day. This is Hitesh. In today's class, we will discuss two theorems. Okay, the first one is angle sum property of a triangle, and the second one is exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, so let's get started. Now we will continue to this chapter. Today we will do theorem 6.7, and the statement of this theorem it is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so as I told you earlier, whenever we are going to prove any theorem, we will consider the 4 points. Okay, the first point is given. So what is given this theorem? So given is कि ABC is a triangle. ठीक है, ABC is a triangle. Okay, it is given. ठीक है, and suppose this angle is 1, this angle is 2, and this angle is 3. Okay, and we need to prove the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. We need to prove angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now in this theorem we will do a construction. We will draw a line parallel to BC. ठीक है, passing through the point A. ठीक है, we will draw a line XY parallel to BC. ठीक है, passing through the point A. ठीक है, and suppose these angles are 4 and this angle is suppose 5. Okay, right? So in construction we will write construction, draw a line XY parallel to BC. Okay, now the fourth point is proof. Okay, at the point A you can see angle 1, 4 and angle 5 are forming the linear pair. ठीक है, at the point A, at point A, ठीक है, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree by the using of linear pair. By the using of linear pair. This is equation number 1. Okay, now XY is parallel to BC by construction. ठीक है, now XY is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal line. AB is a transversal line. ठीक है, so angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. ठीक है, it is a pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, again XY is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal line, so angle 5 is equal to angle 3. It is a pair of alternate interior angle. Okay, it is a pair of alternate interior angles. ठीक है, and XY is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal line. AC is a transversal line. Okay, so angle 3 is equal to angle 5. It is a pair of alternate interior angles. Okay, ठीक है, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. ठीक है, now put the value of angle 4 and angle 5 in equation number 1. ठीक है, put the value of angle 4 and angle 5. ठीक है, from equation 2 and 3rd in equation number 1. ठीक है, so angle 4 is equal to angle 2, तो replace this value. ठीक है, and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Okay, so replace this value also, so it will angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, hence proved. Okay, right? So I think this is clear to all of you. Okay. The next theorem is theorem 6.8, and the statement of this theorem it is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. So the given is ABC is a triangle. Okay. ABC is a triangle. Okay, and the side of this triangle, BC side of this triangle is produced up to the point X. Okay, and side BC is produced up to the point X. Okay, and we need to prove angle 4 is exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, means angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus 2 we need to prove. Okay, to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, so now in this theorem no need to construction, so we will skip this step. Okay, the next step is, the next point is proof. Okay, yes, now we know that the angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, equation number 1, by using angle sum property. Angle sum property, okay, of a triangle, right? At the point C, angle 3 and angle 4 are forming linear pair. Okay, at the point C, at point C, okay, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. It is equation number 2 by the using of linear pair. Linear pair. Okay, now from equation 1 and equation 2, okay, we can write from equation 1 and equation 2, we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, because the RHS part of both the equation are equal, so the LHS part also will be equal. Okay, now angle 3 we can cancel out. Okay, because the same values and the same sign are there. Okay, so we can cancel out. Okay, so after the cancellation it will be angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, now we will start exercise 6.3, question number 1. In figure, side PQ and side RQ of a triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively if angle SPR, this exterior angle is 135 degree angle, and angle PQT is equal to 110 degree. To find the value of angle PRQ, this angle we have to find out. Okay, the solution is, at the point P, suppose this angle is 1. Okay, at the point P we can use the linear pair angle 1 and angle 135. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree by the using of linear pair. Okay, at the point P, angle 1 plus angle 135 is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, by using linear pair. Okay, now transpose 135 from one side to another side, so it will negative. So angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. So angle 1 will be 45 degree. ठीक है, so this value we have calculated, angle 1 is equal to 45 degree. Okay, now by using exterior angle property of a triangle, the exterior angle, this exterior angle 110 is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, angle 1 and angle PRQ. ठीक है, so by using exterior angle property, exterior angle property of a triangle, ठीक है, एंगल 110 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल पी आर क्यू. ठीक है, by using exterior angle property of a triangle we can write the exterior angle 110 is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, interior angles are opposite interior angles are angle 1 and angle PRQ. Okay, now angle 1, the value of angle 1 we can replace, ठीक है, because angle 1 we have already calculated. Okay, so put this value here, angle 1 is equal to 45. Okay, and plus angle PRQ. ठीक है, in bracket you can write angle 1 is equal to 45 degree. Okay, now transpose 45, so it will negative, so next step will be 110 minus 45 degree is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, so angle PRQ will be, it will be 65. Okay, so 65 degree is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree, right? Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay.